InfoHub begins with news from the Caribbean Financial Action Task Force, CFATF's Judges and Prosecutors Conference, which got underway this morning at the Pegasus Hotel. At the opening of the conference, President David Granger said the fight against money laundering must be strengthened by the rule of law. STACY CARMICHAEL brings us the details.
President David Granger, delivering remarks at the opening of the CFATF Judges and Prosecutors Conference today, said the rule of law must be fortified in the fight against terrorist financing and money laundering if it is to be successful. The Caribbean, he pointed out, given its geographic location, has today become a haven for financial pirates, privateers and money launderers.
Present-day transnational criminal cartels possess the means to corrupt public officials and the motivation to undermine the institutions which sustain the rule of law. Present-day information communication technologies can facilitate the transfer of financial assets across the borders at the speed of light. Illicit proceeds can contaminate the voluminous transactions which take place within our country's financial systems.
In this regard, the head of state stressed the importance of safeguarding the criminal justice system of states from the subversion of organized crime.
Robust legislation and sturdy institutions are the weapons in the war against financial crimes. Guyana embarked on a path of passing legislation to counter financial crimes 18 years ago. Such legislation has corrected deficiencies in the anti-money laundering and countering the financing of terrorism regime and allowed for the improvement of compliance with the standards imposed by the Caribbean Financial Action Task Force.
Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs BASIL Williams noted that the work of judges and prosecutors is critical to consolidating stable and effective institutions of integrity, transparency and the rule of law. These features, the AG said, are the pillars of a robust anti-money laundering regime.
This workshop, the first of its kind to be held in our region, seeks to provide a platform for gathering and sharing experiences, challenges, and best practices in investigating and prosecuting money laundering and terrorist financing, as well as depriving criminals of their proceeds.
Prime Minister Moses Nagamutu, Minister of Public Security Kemraj Ramjatan, Chancellor of the Judiciary Justice Yonet Cummings-Edwards and other ministers of government were also in attendance. For InfoHub, STACY CARMICHAEL.